It's Ariel's birthday. It was yesterday, but today is Saturday, so we're gonna start making her cake. And we found a beautiful recipe for a white vegan cake. And we made soy milk this morning in the soy milk maker. And then what we're gonna do is curdle the soy milk. And instead of using apple cider vinegar to do that, we're going to use a lime. So the kids are going to squeeze a lime. Please don't do that. Hard. Go like this. Hold this and squeeze it hard.
The original juicer.
That's better. This is 3/4 cup of soy milk plus 1 tablespoon. Go ahead and pour it in the bowl, honey. Good job. And then a teaspoon of lemon juice. A teaspoon. I'll pour it over this. Ah, there we go.
It will be perfect.
Perfect.
It's gonna be perfect.
Mm-hmm.
After you whisk it, then you gotta let it set for 5 minutes.
Now we're gonna measure out 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of cake flour. And I found this whole wheat pastry flour that's organic. Can you put that in this bowl?
The whole thing?
Yes, ma'am.
It's tapioca.
So we'll put in 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour or arrowroot flour. And we have tapioca flour. And so we'll put our 2 tablespoons, which is 1/8 of a cup.
Okay.
Now we're going to put 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Here. Good job.
I'm going to scoot over a little bit. There.
Good job. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Here goes, sweetie.
It's really white too.
It is really white. 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar.
Sugar. Ooh, sugar.
3 tablespoons. Here, Ariel.
Okay.
We're going to use lemon juice or lime juice instead of the oil. So that's 2 tablespoons. That would be oil. And we're using lime juice instead. It's definitely ripe. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
It's not good. Something's wrong. You do that, right?
Yes. And then we'll do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/8 of a teaspoon of lemon extract. We're going to put the milk with the lime juice in with the sugar and extracts. So you dump this right into here.
Okay. Can I do the coloring? Ooh, yay! Color.
Stir.
What does white and yellow make? Probably orange.
Here, let Grandma do.
Okay.
I'm stirring this just until the dry ingredients are incorporated into the wet ingredients. We put the parchment paper so that we didn't have to use oil. I have to look at the recipe. We'll bake that for 18 to 22 minutes. We'll look at it and see if it's good.
What's the temperature?
The temperature is 350. That's what I call a cake. Yummy. What does it look like, James? Does it look good?
Looks like a pancake.
It looks like a big old pancake,
Can
doesn't
I
it?
put the stuff on?
What stuff?
I do the frosting.
Oh, you can help me with the frosting.
Find yours.
We're making frosting for the birthday cake. I
My
put
birthday
your birthday cake. I put about a cup of organic powdered sugar in the bowl, and I'm going to put this soy milk in there and make frosting.
Good job. Did you hear it? Blood in there? Ooh, pretty.
Got really quiet in here.
Mr. Eat
Ariel,
everything
how was
and
your
he eats
birthday cake?
almost everything they
Happy birthday, girl.